Hey there, it's Rob, the Ignorant Entrepreneur. Now, I've been going crazy with ChatGPT, and so much so that I see that the server is actually down, or at least they're not taking any more requests. But I did want to talk about how Siri GPT-3 combo aims to create a truly smart voice assistant. Now, I'm not going to lie, I'm not the biggest fan of typing and texting, all that. I would much prefer voice. I like to voice text and all that. So a web developer has created a Siri GPT mashup that is intended to demonstrate the potential for a truly smart voice assistant. The AI system was able to make sense of conversational speech, including some in which the required action was implied rather than directly stated. So the person that did this, mate Marschalko, he was feeling the same way that I was feeling and was kind of tired of the texting and realized that Siri, Alexa, Google Home, all these smart assistants weren't really that smart. And I've used them as well, and they can't get basic requests a lot of the time. It's really kind of sad. So he didn't actually even need code to achieve this. Instead, he explained to ChatGPT what he wanted to do, and he asked it to interpret conversational English and provide an appropriate JSON response. So for those of you less code inclined, basically, he asked ChatGPT how he could accomplish using voice to give it commands. Marschalko used a Siri shortcut to turn this into an actual HomeKit command. He tested it and said he couldn't believe how well it worked. And for those of us who have used ChatGPT, we've seen it answer personal questions, give advice, but a lot of times doesn't have our exact location or some of the other information that these smart devices have. So once incorporated, he was actually able to get ChatGPT to run basic functions for him. One of the example requests was, and I quote, "Just noticed that I'm recording this video in the dark in the office. Can you do something about that?" And the response back he got was this JSON command, which I'll show here on the screen, that would actually turn on the light for him. And then he ended up relying on ChatGPT-3 to figure out some other things for itself, like setting the bedroom temperature to something that would help him sleep better. Now, on this, it didn't actually do too well. The AI set the thermostat to 19 degrees Celsius. Marschalko mentioned was high for him sleeping, so he's typically in the 16 degrees Celsius range. And that was something that kind of illustrated the potential danger of this approach, is that GPT AIs are not always great for getting facts and consensus advice right. But still pretty cool, right? Because that was my whole thing, is like, how can we implement this into our everyday lives? And this was one way of asking the technology how it could help advise us on other technology that we use in our day-to-day life and how we can just implement them. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been The Ignorant Entrepreneur. I'm out.